Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Spindletop subscription box. So the Spindletop subscription box is all about small businesses, and I'm a huge proponent of just supporting small businesses, especially in Texas, which is where I'm from. And that's the whole idea behind the Spindletop box. I found out about the Spindletop subscription box through my mom, who owns a small business in Texas called Rustic Charm Trading Company. And she is actually featured in this box. This is the October box. So I got my hands on one of them. Jill and Paul, the creators of the Spindletop box, were kind enough to send me out one to unbox and review for you guys. So I'm really excited to open this up. Yeah, they just started this company in May of this year, I believe, and they are themselves a small business here in Texas, and the whole idea behind this box is getting other small businesses around the state more exposure into the hands of other people that they may not reach if they're from small towns or just... Texas is a big state, so it is hard to find people on the other side of it, so that's the whole idea behind the Spindletop box. I'm super excited to give this a look and open it up, so here we go. Let me get out a knife here. So every month they have a new box. This, like I said, is the October box. This is the fall themed box. They have two different options of boxes that you can subscribe to. The sample box costs $30 a month. You can get it for cheaper if you subscribe for more months and you prepay up front. They have a 3-month option and a 6-month option that'll help you save a little bit of money. And the normal box, which is the one that I have here, is $45 a month. Of course, if you subscribe for 3 months or 6 months, you can get a discount on top of that. So not too bad, and you get a whole bunch of awesome stuff. So I'm really excited to see what's in this month. Did I cut both sides? I did. All right, let's open it up. All right, so here's what we see when we first open the box. A Texas fall, so that is the theme of this box. Whoa. So yeah, that is the theme of this month's box for October 2018. It says, enjoy these handcrafted Texas artisan goodies. So we shall. All right, and then there's a whole bunch of this nice stuff here to keep everything nice and contained. I'm gonna try not to make too huge of a mess here taking this stuff out. Already I can see some really cool stuff in here. So the first thing I'm gonna bring out here is this. This is a melt for your candle warmers, or if you have like Scentsy warmer. This is the one that's made by my mom in Breckenridge, Texas. This is from Rustic Charm Candles. The scent is Fall Festival to smell, to go along with the Texas fall theme, of course. I already know what this smells like, but I love it. I absolutely do. It's kind of like it just smells warm and like I can smell oranges, and there's just, I don't know what it is about it. I'm a little biased because my mom does make this, and I love this scent. So that's the first thing, though, that I'm going to bring out. Let's see what's next here. These look interesting. What's this? All right, so these look to be magnets made out of some bullet shells. That's really cool. By Black 4T Designs. They've got a reef made out of shotgun shells on their picture for their business card, which I think is really cool. I'll have to look up where they're from, and I'll put it on the video. That's really cool, though. I'll definitely have those on my fridge. That's really cool. Nice magnets. That's awesome. I really like those. All right, what's next? I've heard about these because I saw them on their Instagram page, and I am really excited to try this. So this is Murphy's Mellows. So let me see. I believe these are from Elgin, Texas. I will correct myself if I'm wrong. But yeah, so they are just some gourmet treats in a little canister. This is the s'mores flavor, I believe. So yeah, s'mores in a jar. I'm really excited to try this, so I'm gonna go grab a spoon right now because I want to give that a try right now. All right, so one thing you may not know about me, I am s'mores everything. If it comes in a s'mores flavor, I want it. So the marshmallow is on top. Then right below that's the chocolate and the graham crackers. They're kind of like smushed up, but oh my gosh. See, that's the lid for Murphy's Mellows. And when you take off the lid, just looks wonderful already. And I haven't even like scooped in yet. Oh, that chocolate looks amazing. I cannot wait. George, are you excited? Yeah, he's excited too. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get a big scoop of everything. Ooh. Takes some power to get out. Ooh, okay. Look at that. I got a nice spoonful of every part. So here we go. Not exactly what I expected. I think that's fudge in the middle instead of just like melted chocolate. But man, I love s'mores anything, and this is absolutely no exception. I'm gonna eat this whole jar, honestly, like today probably. Murphy's Mellows, thank you so much. I'm so glad you were part of this box because I'm so glad that I found you. I'm gonna put that over here actually. That was really good. I'm gonna finish that later, absolutely. All right, so what do we got next here? Maple Pecan Granola from Hippos and Hashbrowns. A family-owned bakery dedicated to providing healthy eats and wholesome treats. And they're from Dallas, Texas. So, yeah, Maple Pecan Granola. I don't want to open it. It's so cutely packaged, and I can never like repackage it the same way, but I want to open it up. That's really good. Give that an A+. Wonderful. Hippos and Hashbrowns. This was awesome. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you were a part of this box. Oh, and I see the ingredients here. Oats, pecans, flax, sunflower seeds, coconut oil, piloncillo. I don't know what that is, but it tastes good. Maple syrup, vanilla, and salt. So I really like that. So awesome. I'm gonna put it right here. I could never make that packaging as cute as it originally was. So this looks like the last thing here from Hazel's Kitchen, handcrafted from scratch. It doesn't say on here where they're from either. I'll have to look that up on their Instagram page after this. From Hazel's Kitchen, this is the autumn cookie. So let's see. I love cookies. So, oh, that's so cute. Look at this. That is so cute. That is so cute. It's a little autumn tree. All right, well, I've tried everything else that is edible, so I'm gonna try this as well. No surprise. I mean, I am surprised. It is really good, but I was expecting it to be, so. I've got so many snacks now. All right. Well, I could never make the packaging as cute as it originally was, but I'm going to put that one there as well. So that was the October Spindletop box. Again, that's the Texas Fall Spindletop box. Oh, here's the information here. So Black 4T Designs, the one that did the magnets from these shotgun shells, they are located in Wichita Falls, Texas. The Hazel's Kitchen cookie that I already ate, I'm not going to raise it up. The Hazel's Kitchen cookie is from Coppell, Texas. That's where Hazel's Kitchen is located. Hippos and Hashbrowns, the one that made the granola, they are from Dallas, Texas. Murphy's Mellows is from Elgin, Texas. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Elgin, Texas. And of course, Rustic Charm Candle Company is in Breckenridge, Texas. That's my mom's store. So awesome. These are from all over the place in Texas, and these are small businesses that I probably wouldn't have heard of, besides this one, if it weren't for this box. So that's really cool. I just want to say thank you so much to Jill and Paul from Spindletop Box for being so kind in sending out this box for me to unbox and review for you guys. How many times can I say box in one sentence, honestly? But yeah, I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for allowing me to do this for you. And also I want to say thanks to all of you watching and taking time out of your day to watch this video by me. Definitely check out Spindletop Box on their website and their social media, which I will link below. And also give a check out, check out all of these small businesses around Texas. I'll link their information below as well, where you can get all these things. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. And if you really enjoyed it and you want to see more stuff from me in the future, consider subscribing to my channel. But yeah, that's about all that I've got for you guys today. So I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much. Goodbye. There was even something for little George in this box, wasn't there, buddy? Do you like the stuffing? Now you better not make a big mess out of that. You promise? Oh, hello.